Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made $31 on this trade using breakout retest strategy. As you guys know already, that's my best strategy, using breakout and retest. So you will notice that gold USD has been on an uptrend for a while, and recently it started consolidating. It has been consolidating. So we'll move to 4-hour time frame to see what we can find as structure. I don't just take one structure and start trading until I draw my trend line to connect the wicks of resistance and support. That's when I will know which structure it is, and I will wait for a breakout and retest before I take my trade. I'm collecting the wicks of the resistance now to mark the resistance. So I'm still on it. Now connecting the wicks of the support and wait for a breakout. So if you notice, on the resistance level, there's a strong breakout from the resistance through the trend line. So immediately the breakout happened, I waited for a retest, and that was when I saw a strong bearish candle that come and retest the trend line. And this is it. This is the strong breakout from the resistance. This full candle that break out of the resistance. Then the next thing was the retest with a red candle. So immediately I saw the retest, I wait for another white candle to be printed, and immediately I take my trade. You would see where I take the trade and the trade start going up. So this is when I enter the trade. So I enter the trade here with 0.02 lot size, and I'm still at loss. So after some few hours, the price start moving up, and you can see that the price is trying to start going up. The trade is already on. Here you see that the price has gone up, and I have been able to make some amount of money. I think here I've made around $11. So this is $12 already in profit. The price is still going up, and this is $13 that I've made, and still the price is going up, and boom, I think here I've made close to that's $26. So the breakout and retest strategy is a very good strategy to learn, because once you learn it, you can easily make money using it. So here already I have $31, and when I noticed that on 15-minute time frame there was a bearish candle that was printed, and the moment price was getting close to the bearish candle, I know that the price will start reversing back to downtrend. So I quickly find a way of closing the trade. You can see now that the price is retesting the place where the supply area where price has passed. So at this moment I will close the trade because I'm already 100% up in profit. Thank you guys.